Today we are going to see what is Swift Boss Base, how it will use and how it is going to be used in SolidWorks. So let's see. First create. We will create one geometry. So select top plane, sketch. Go to sketch. Select one circle. Okay. Now exit from this sketch. Now select OK, right plane also OK, front plane also OK. Okay, front plane is better. So we will choose one front plane and we will draw. We want to expand, we want to shift this board in different direction, this circle in different direction. So we will create path for it. Which path we want to? So select front plane, sketch. Select normal. Now this is front plane selected. Now we will choose spline. You can choose line also, but we will choose spline and draw some geometry. This is line you can expand any. Okay. Now this is your line. You can expand your line in any direction. It's up to you. Then you can choose a line and draw a line also here. Okay. Now exit from the sketch. Now go to feature and select this 3D tool, Swift Boss Base. Now see, your line is selected. See, sketch 2, path is selected. Now only we have to select profile. So this circle is our profile. Just click on circle. See, the geometry going to take a shape like this. This is exactly called Swift Boss Base. In option, it is written follow path. Twist along path, it is different. We will see in our later. Kept normal, it will be looks like this. But for this, follow path, it is better option. Select OK. See, our body is created with the help of Swift Boss Base along with path. Right click, sketch. These are the guide curve. If there are multiple number of path is there, so we have to select it here. We will see in our next coming tutorial. It is quite advanced, and this is also quite advanced. So we will see next lecture. Just delete it and we will see one more feature. We will little expand it. Okay. Now again we will select sketch this path and select Shift Boss. Now see and select our profile. See, it is going to expand, and here one more option, thin feature. Select thin feature. And select outside or inside, it is up to you, or choose 0.05 mm. Okay, this thickness is better. See the thickness, you can, let's make 0.5 mm. Oh, this also okay. No, much bigger. If 1 mm, it is also not accepting, so 0.5 is also enough. So this is, see, this is a hollow pipe. It's kind of a pipe. It's kind of a pipe we are going to draw. So this is the feature, thin inside and outside. This geometry is not compatible, that's why it's showing, because this diameter is bigger. Select OK. So see, this is our hollow pipe is created. So this is the basic function of Swift to Boss base tool. It is very helpful tool. I hope you enjoyed this